Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a demo of the incident management system for the final project for the course web application development. First, let's check the code. When we open the package.json file, we can see that to start the backend or the server, we need to run node init.js and node and this file www. So basically what we do with init.js is just to perform a few checks before running the server. We make sure that we have all the environment variables necessary for the application to run correctly. Also in the bin folder we have the www file. Basically in this file what we're doing is initializing a server and also listening on a port. Also our application has an app.js file which has the configuration for the Express middleware. Here we have the configuration for cores, for route handling. We also have some error handling that is necessary. And here in the routes folder, we can find the different files that configure the routes for tickets. So with this routes, we can make all the CRUD operations um, uh, with the appropriate route to create ticket, to get tickets, to delete tickets, etc. Similarly, for users, we have different routes. Some routes, for example, may require the user ID, for example, to make changes to the user. We also need the JWT authorization. So basically, this function, what it does is that it's going to check if the user is authorized. Because an unauthorized user wouldn't be able to make changes to an user. And we also have the routes for auth, which will allow the user to sign in or sign out. We also have a directory called database. Here we can find the models for ticket and user. So this is the key ticket schema. Here we can see all the different fields required to create a ticket. And this is the user schema. Again, these are the fields required to create a user. We also have the controllers. In the controllers, we can find the different methods. For example, in auth controller, we can find the methods sign in and sign out. In the ticket controller, we can see the methods create ticket, get ticket, update ticket, delete tickets, etc. And in user controller, we can see again the different methods to create users, to list users, fetch users, update user. For example, to update a user, we need authorization. So we also have some code that makes that comparison to make sure that the user is authorized. For our frontend, we are using React plus Vite. Here we can see the main.jsx file. So from this page, we have the routes um, to the different pages like profile, ticket, sign in, sign up, etc. And in the directory pages, we can find the code, for example, for ticket.jsx. Ticket.jsx is the component that will display all the tickets that exist or that the user can see, because normal users can only see the tickets that they have created, while admin users can see all tickets. From this page, users can also create, modify, or remove tickets. And we also have the pages, the components for sign up and sign in. So in sign up, the user can create a user by entering an email and a password and a name. And we also have the home page. Now let's go ahead and check the demo. So for our application, first we're going to sign in. Initially, we're going to sign in using the credentials of a normal user, in this case, John. As we can see, we have logged in. We have this message that says, "Welcome, John." We can see the tickets that John has created. So in this case, John has created three different tickets, one on December 4th, December 6th, and the last one on December 8th. Um, let's try to create a new one. Let's call this one test and test description. For the description, we're going to upload a photo and we're going to set the urgency to medium. So once we submit, the page automatically refreshes and now the user can see the ticket. It has already been created. Um, in this case, John can actually modify this ticket. So now we can do this description and we can change the urgency to high. We save it and now the new values are set here. We can try to sign out and let's sign in with an admin user so we can see the difference. And now we have signed in as admin user, as we can see here. Let's go to ticket management. Now, as an admin user, we can see the tickets that John has created, but we can also see one ticket that admin user has created and this other user. That's because admin user, one of the privileges that they have is that they can see all the tickets, but they can also remove or modify. So if we want, we can remove this ticket that was created by John on December 4th. I can remove it right now. And I can also modify this one that we just created. We can right here modify by admin, modi modified by admin as well. Let's change urgency to medium and we click on save. Now those fields have been modified. This is something that can only be done from the user account. But again, the admin account, sorry. The admin account can also create tickets, and that will be it. That's a demo for our incident management system. Thank you.